Have you ever promised yourself you'll finally stick with something, work out, write, code, study, and then 3 days later you're back to square one? You're not lazy. You're missing a system. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly why consistency usually fails and a simple, practical plan you can use starting today to fix it. I make videos about building habits, getting better at technical skills, and making productivity actually work. If you want practical systems, not motivation pep talks, hit subscribe. Today's video is all about why consistency feels impossible and what to do instead. Quick reality check. Consistency compounds. Small action repeated becomes skill, asset, or habit. Think savings, vocabulary, coding practice. 1 hour a day for a year? Massive. The problem isn't that progress is slow. It's that we expect overnight results and then quit. So fixing consistency gives you leverage across every goal. Okay, let's be honest about why consistency breaks down. Reason 1, unrealistic goals. You set big, vague targets and get overwhelmed. Reason 2, the motivation myth. Motivation fluctuates, so relying on it is a trap. Reason 3, identity mismatch. Your actions don't align with who you believe you are. Reason 4, environment and friction. Your surroundings either enable or sabotage you. Reason 5, decision fatigue and willpower depletion. Your brain gets tired. Understanding these is the first step to fixing them. Let's geek out for a minute because knowing the biology helps. Habits live in the basal ganglia, a primitive part of the brain that optimizes repeated actions. The habit loop is cue, routine, reward. Dopamine doesn't just reward success, it predicts reward and drives anticipation. Translate that, design cues and quick wins so your brain wants to repeat the action. Now, the sneaky sabotage patterns. All or nothing thinking. If you miss one day, you failed and quit. Perfectionism. You wait for perfect conditions. Shiny object syndrome. You jump between too many goals. Not tracking. If it isn't measured, it doesn't feel real. Recognize these patterns because they're fixable. Here's a core principle. Systems beat goals. Goals are results you want. Systems are the habits that produce results. Instead of, I want to write a book, your system is write for 20 minutes every morning. Systems remove emotional volatility and make progress predictable. All right, 5 practical steps you can apply right now. Step 1, define identity-based goals. I am the kind of person who writes daily. Step 2, use the 2-minute rule. Make the new habit take 2 minutes to start. Step 3, design your environment. Remove friction for good habits, add friction to bad ones. Step 4, schedule it. Put it on your calendar as non-negotiable. Step 5, track and celebrate small wins. Use a simple tracker and reward progress. Follow these and consistency stops being a battle of willpower. Let's make these real with examples. Writing, identity. I am a writer. 2-minute rule. Open a document and write 1 sentence. Environment. Keep a notebook on your desk. Schedule. Write 20 minutes at 9 a.m. Track. Check off the day. Fitness, identity. I'm someone who moves daily. 2-minute rule. Put on shoes and step outside for 2 minutes. Small wins compound. Tools that help. Habit trackers like Streaks or Habitica for visual momentum. Notion or Google Calendar for scheduling. Pomodoro timers for managing energy. A simple paper bullet journal if you prefer analog. But don't let tool shopping be an excuse. Pick one and use it consistently. I have a 7-day experiment for you. Pick one tiny habit using the 2-minute rule. Day 1 to 3, establish the cue and do it daily. Day 4 to 5, stack it onto an existing habit. Day 6, review and adjust friction in your environment. Day 7, celebrate and double down. Commit in the comments. I'll check in and give feedback. Quick recap. Consistency fails because we rely on willpower, set bad goals, and ignore environment. Fix it by building systems. Identity-based goals, 2-minute starts, environment design, scheduling, and tracking. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and download the free checklist linked in the description that outlines the 5 steps and the 7-day challenge. Thanks for watching. Start small, be consistent, and let systems do the heavy lifting. I'll see you in the comments. Tell me what tiny habit you're starting. Check out the next video on habit stacking for deep dives. Bye!